Now do it! Do it!
Hello, and welcome back to the Abode of Unity. Today, we are going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 2. And the title of this episode is Arrival in Tokyo. Sounds like we're going to the big city. So in the last episode, we got introduced to the main character and his dog that was a devil. It was a nice devil. I think the girl that found him is also a devil. So I was wondering what the title meant of the first episode, which was called Dog and Chainsaw, and I didn't know what to expect. It's literally physical, metaphorically literal. The dog infused with the man and he became Dog and Chainsaw Man. The dog saved his life, so that was pretty cool. And I think the voice actor is Nanachi from Made in the Abyss. It's always cool when you can catch Japanese voice actors. There's some super distinct voice actors, but others are more niche like Nanachi, and it's cool when you can recognize that. Like as an English speaker, I don't speak Japanese, it's cool that I can recognize those voices. So yeah, my boy Denji, he was living in the woods. Not a bad life, by the way. The woods, pretty serene, pretty peaceful, but his life, not so peaceful. He sold his eye, he sold his left nut or something, like it was bad. He sold his arteries for money. Wasn't in a good situation. He was dreaming about food, bread and butter, and a girlfriend. The dreams are coming true. Always beautiful when your dreams start to come true. Your dreams come to you. Manifestation. He manifested. Any support on my videos means a lot. Takes me a long time to edit. Also, I stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/WizeVibez. I've got a Discord link down below. Little community. I notify people when I go live on Twitch. Bada bang boop bops. Let's just jump into the reaction. Yeah. Eyes look really cool. Oh, she's taking him in. You're my pet now. Woof. Woof. The eyes remind me of Naruto. We put them down. Okay, that's a little inhumane. Yeah, tell her straight. Tell her what it is, Genji. Or Denji. Genji. He's not dead. He's with you. Or she. Yes, sir. Hi. Who looks this good? Sheesh. Oh no. He's fallen in love too quick. Ramen. Sounds good. Udon. Oh. Placed my heart? Oh my. Oh. It's kind of crazy you're placing his heart. Guess that makes sense. Oh, I wonder how many people are like that, like human and devil. He's kind of rare. Can you eat on your own? I do. I guess it makes sense that he would whoop because he is kind of half dog now. Ooh, asking the good questions. Okay, I see you, Denji. Okay. Oh, sheesh. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, damn. That's literally me replaying the good moments they had, like as soon as it had. Tokyo. Devil Hunters? Man, I want to go to Japan. Dude just has no shirt on. Yes, sir. Oh. If we get together, that means we really get together. Yes, sir. Whoa. Guy looks badass. The music is crazy. Ooh, yes, sir. I'm trying to find a girl like Miss Makima. Single, by the way. Oh. Oh, jeez. Okay, buddy, really? Makima. That's not all why he took the job, though. This guy doesn't know his story. Oh, shit. Okay, that's just disrespectful. Get him with the chainsaw. Come on. Oh, damn. Bing bong. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Tell him what's up. And a sausage. Yes. Yep. Yes, sir. The music in the background, though. I feel like I'm at a club. Damn. Oh shit, he's jealous. Damn, what is his dick made out of steel? What is that? Bing! Mr. 3-year devil hunter couldn't even keep up with a newbie? By the nut devil. Oh shit. Oh shit, so he is rare. He's special. Oh damn. Okay. Special treatment. Uh-oh. Oh sh. Uh-oh. Oh man. That's kind of tough, but I mean, hey, it's not like he had a better life before this, so. Oh my, that looks like some good toast. Bean's personality. Damn. They get real messed up. Yes, sir. This is giving me Tanjiro vibes from Demon Slayer. Damn. Okay, but damn, true. That's cool that he can see that. But it feels like something's missing. Okay, really zoomed in on her boobs. Booba. Yes, sir. A booba. Sheesh. Mommy milkies. New dream unlocked. Touch boobs. Let's go. You gotta be serious. Something to be serious. No way. This is hilarious. Oh, new waifu. The fiend. Oh, prostrate. Power. New goal. New girl equals new girl. New 02 waifu. Threesome between her, Deji, and Miss Makima. She looks super similar to Makima. The crazier the better. Wait, what was that? How do I get my hands on the boobs? Yes, sir. Damn, professional. So fiends are different than him. Cause he still has his personality, but she's like, has the devil personality or the... The crazier the better. Damn, this music though. Sea cucumber devil. Oh! What the heck? Jeez! Oh my gosh. Oh, damn, it's already over. I was expecting like a halfway mark or something. Alright, really good episode. I like that a lot. There was a word that I couldn't think of that I just went on a whole search for in synonyms of words. I was thinking of the word renovate, but it was actually innovate. What I liked about Denji, like coming into this situation where his life really sucked and now he gets pulled into a better life and his life is a 10 out of 10 just from simply living and eating food. And there's that whole comparison between him and the sword guy and how he can recognize that the sword guy is still trying to chase his dream, whatever that is. And everyone's always looking for more and they're always like chasing something or doing something. I was starting to ramble, but what I like about him coming into the situation is that he's not as serious in a very serious situation. Devils consuming humans and then those human devils, the fiends killing other humans. It's like a very serious thing and you want to like take precautions, and obviously the sword guys dealt with it, I guess, with his family being killed, and that's really sad and sucks, and the police and like all this, the society has to deal with this. I think the best thing you can do in life, which is easier said than done and it's really hard to do, but I think the best thing you can do in life is make a serious situation not so serious, because when you lighten the mood and when you loosen it and people become more calm and loose and peaceful and stuff, that's where you start to see real change happen and passion starts to come out, this sort of thing. And when you see people like laugh and play in the face of danger and seriousness, then it becomes not so serious, and that's when really big change can happen. So it's cool that Denji's not as serious. He's an innovator, and I think he's gonna innovate this devil hunter core type thing, you know? I also love that his new goal, that he realized that his life's 10 out of 10, but he feels like something's missing, and I think that something missing is probably love. But I love that his goal is to touch boobs. Booba. That is the greatest goal in any of anime that I've ever seen. In these type of shows in anime, like the main character usually is like the sword guy, where he wants revenge for his family. Kind of like Tanjiro in Demon Slayer, how his family got killed and now he's trying to go after, you know, what's his name, Michael Jackson. Denji's kind of like a side character that has become a main character, and his goal is to touch boobs. I think that's amazing. I didn't know what to expect of this anime, and this is definitely not what I expected, and that's really cool. And I love that we got another anime waifu to add to the list of amazing waifus, the big titty anime e-girls. Curious about how all the powers are, like what kind of powers we're gonna see and stuff. At the end, that girl with the horns, she turned her blood into a hammer. That was crazy. It was almost kind of gross, because like blood kind of like grosses me out sometimes. Like when she did that, I was like, oh, she like cut herself, she made it into a hammer. That was crazy. Usually in anime too, when there's like a love interest, it never really happens. And if it does happen, it's not like happens at the very end of the anime, and it's like kind of there. I hope in this show that we actually get to see some relationship form, and we get to like see like actual couple stuff, like kissing and, you know, and watching movies and cuddles, sex and what, huh? If you didn't know, only 0.0001% of you who watch this video are subscribed. So if we can make that 0.0002%, that would be amazing. Much love, peace, and abundance to you, baby. I'll see you in my next reaction. Also, let me know what other anime you'd like me to see. My new goal in life is Denji's goal. threesome between her, Deji, and Miss Makima.